In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract specific pages from a PDF and create a new one. So let's get started. First, just go to your browser and then search for Sejda. So this is the website which we'll use to do this. So click on the first link, and once you're here, just click on All Tools, which is on top, and then below Split, select Extract Pages. That's this option. So here, you'll have to upload the PDF from which you want to extract pages. So click on this button and I'll upload it now. And here you can see all of the pages from the PDF which you uploaded. As you can see, it has 30 pages. And now what we have to do is select the pages which we want. So they have multiple ways of selecting them. First, you can just manually select by clicking on Control and selecting the page. So let's say I want the first 5 pages. I can just click on Control and select the first 5. And then it's done. But they have more ways, which I'll show you now. So below, they have 2 standard options, which are all odd pages or all even pages. But if you want specific pages, click on the third option. And now we can enter them below over here. So whichever pages you want, you just need to type them in with a hyphen, and then they'll get selected. So I'll show you how this works. Let's say I want the first 5 and last 5 pages. Then I'll have to type in 1-5, 26-30 and click on Extract Pages. So here you can see a preview of the PDF. We have the first 5 pages and the last 10. And in total, we have 10 pages. So if you want to make changes, you can just click on Back to Editing, that's here. Or else, just click on Download to save this new PDF. So now it's downloaded. And if I click on this, then I can see my new PDF over here. So this is how it works. And if you want to know how to password protect your PDF, you can check out this video over here. Goodbye.